Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin, and as always, the Alts. Hope that you're all doing very well and hope you had a very nice weekend. And Bitcoin, well, I was not really on Bitcoin this weekend, to be honest with you. I was more trading some fiats here like Core, PEPE coin really. Turbo also, we've got some a nice wave 5 here, but we're going to cover all of this really next. Anyways, so yeah, just gonna pop out the chat here, see if there, well, yes, there are messages. So yeah, good morning to you all. Oh yes, FLOKI mate, I saw this. Pretty cool. Really nice for my long. Staying that long. Thanks mate for confirming. Oh, by the way, before to start with all the live stream and everything, really, if you're an apprentice, well, first of all, welcome to you here. As you know, there will be, so before the last contest, just want to clarify everything, you know. So before the last contest, the last $1,000 prize pool contest here, that is coming up on the 10th of June, you will get, so 2 weeks with some live Elliott way charting. So it will be either some live streams, either some videos, really depends what you prefer. But so yeah, now we are on the 27th, so you'll get today either a live stream, either a video, as I said. It will be, as I posted yesterday on the Discord server into the announcement channel here, at 3 p.m. UTC +2. Simply let me know here into the general chat in the apprentice section. If you don't have it here on the Discord server, simply go and link your Discord account. You can just go into the account page and do this from here. Connect to Discord. Once you've done that, you simply will unlock the channel really on the Discord server. If you have any issue with anything, feel free to let me know. You can contact me on Discord, or you can send an email to the support really. But otherwise, well, Discord is faster, not gonna lie. But you will get the channels here, and if you have any coins really you want me to analyze, to show you how I'm doing my TAs, how I'm starting everything really, it's just these 2 weeks really are really right here to give you some of my experience, to show you how I'm doing how I'm going to apply really the theory normally you've learned, the new Elliott wave course, on the chart really. So if you have any coin really you want me to analyze, well, this content, don't forget, will be only for apprentice. So yeah, feel free to go and check this out really, and to give me some coins to analyze in the general chat of the apprentice sections. Anyways, on this being said, let's go now on the Bitcoin first of all. So I'm just gonna, by the way, move on live chat here, because sometimes, yeah, there we go. There's a message missing, don't know why. Good morning mate. Yes, I saw this too, by the way, got an alert. I still have it, by the way, my notification. It was at 4 a.m. for me, so I was sleeping. But anyways, I'm gonna check this. So first of all, let's go on a weekly time frame and see if we have anything here. No, so let's go on a daily time frame. And so do we have any daily level? Yes, we do. So we can take this, unlock that, move it up, and so we've got a nice retest, by the way. This can be removed now. And we've got this one here too, by the way. Yeah, didn't touch it Bitcoin for the whole weekend, to be honest. Or I was waiting just for a last race here into this path control, but it never came, so wasn't really trading much, that one. So let's go here on this is Bitcoin, yeah? Yes. Alright, so let's start with this weekly naked point of control. Oh, yeah, okay. So here 69775.5. Alright, well, yeah, we have a nice resistance just above. Let's go now on the DNPOC. We have nothing really. Well, perfect, nothing to add. And so here, let's see if we have any naked session path control. So we've got the one below that is, what? Oh, okay, it was the other one. So now we've got this one, but it's hit. So we have 69,190. Perfect. And so now let's go with the TPOs, and we've got none except here, 67,422. Sorry for the noise in the background, don't know what was this. 67,422, that's, yeah, okay, nice. Alright, so we have loads of support now, I mean loads of levels here, you don't really like this, but well. So first of all, here we've got a bounce from the first target we have planned, really, of this whole move. So if you go in there, you've got, so this first support plan, really, from the very top, and from the resistance, we go straight into it, and from here we get the biggest bounce of the whole move down. That's pretty cool. That was a bottom, really. Well, for me right now, there is no trade on Bitcoin, to be honest. I mean, there are much better coins to trade, like PEPE coins, for example. We've got some nice trades during the weekend. Core, we have a possible nice long setup. Turbo, well, I will not short that, to be honest with you, but it was a long, for example. This was posted yesterday, before we even do the wave 5. If I can find this, you can see here before we even rise, so this was a target. Well, you have Ethereum, for example, you got this very nice long trade setup. This was posted before we even get the drop. So normally here we've got all of this really filled. So you've got, well, better coins to trade, to be honest with you. So, well, now for me there is no trade on Bitcoin. Gonna be very simple. The waves remain the same. There is nothing more here to add on Bitcoin. The waves are still exactly the same. We take first of all a possible ending due to the ABC zigzag we have to the upside. Or we take an ABC zigzag for a Z wave, but if, well, you know, for a double EXY, X and Z. But now the thing is, to look for the Z wave, we cannot look only for a bearish wave like this. We have to look first for a retracement, but to push higher, so not the big drop directly. So, well, for example, the ending wave 2, before to look for a new low to be made. The only thing we need to do is to trade these targets, really. We have plan, okay, based on the direction. So you come to the target, simply check the order flow, see what's going on. Do we have any good data? Yes. Okay, take the trade. Do we have any good data? No. Okay, there is no trade. We just wait for better data to come or the next target really to be hit. These are the two main targets. Otherwise, this is something possible, but again, the most probable no, because this will be an ending with a smaller wave of a leading. This is very rare, so we do not bet on this mainly. And now, is it impossible? No, we can do this, just less probable. And the next configuration is extremely bullish. It's a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, but again, the wave 2 cannot break the wave 1 route on the RSI, all of this. So, well, there is nothing crazy to update on Bitcoin. Let me just come here. Normally, we do have these configurations there, yeah. So let me just, yeah, for now it's still valid, to be honest. The wave 2, well, definitely don't break the wave 1 route. So, well, nothing is invalidated. Just a drop and a bounce, nothing more really. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that personally. I'm gonna move on the alts directly. They're a much better trade, if you can say that, to take. Otherwise, here we can see we're between some levels. So what we can do is simply wait for higher for a short trade and wait for lower for a long trade. Sometimes it's like that. It's better to remain patient. Sorry. If I have to long, well, for a day trader, first of all, you can wait for this bottom to be taken. Okay, we have a daily just below, so this can bring us with a swing through pound or a fair auction really of this bottom. If there is no good reaction here again on the order flow, so not in this, because this is a footprint chart, but on this, for example. Well, if you don't get any good data on this, you can simply go and look for the next target really. So the next target is simply the Valera low plus the TPO here. If we start breaking this, well, a new low is more likely about to happen next really. Okay, so if we start breaking here the TPO, more likely a new low next. So if we do one more new low, well, it's very simple. We simply have to look again. We have a low here. Okay, we have a bottom, so we simply have to look for a swing through pound or a fair auction. If we don't manage to get a swing through pound or a fair auction of this, so of course it can be a big wick below to take some few more lows here. If we don't manage to get this with no good data to reclaim on the order flow again, we are simply going to look for the next target. The next target is this 6.86% really. To make it very simple, is the full range Valera low. Okay, if we break that path control, we get acceptance below. Okay, we're simply going to look for this Valera low here to be hit. If of course we don't swing through pound the current bottom we have done, or do a fair auction. And if we start breaking this Valera low, if we don't do a big wick below and reclaim directly, well, a new low is more likely about to occur next. Okay, so now this is in terms of support, in terms of resistance for a short trade. To be honest with you, well, this right here, okay, that will be the best minimum, because before that, well, not really interested into a trade, to be honest with you. Gonna wait for this person to short, and if not, well, for me it's missed and it's fine. There are tons of trades anywhere, I mean, on other routes, so it's fine. But yeah, so first of all, well, this path one short, to be honest with you, with a 6.86% of the full downtrend, plus the new weekly negative path one short. If we manage to reclaim this, there are some few tops to take there, okay, but this top here will be part of this target, really. So, well, top here up to the daily, but I mean, yeah, we've got to check what's happening there not even the time, but a new high here will be better, to be honest with you, if we start reaching such price. So, well, if we start breaking this, there is just a swing flip and again a reflection of the top. If it's not happening, there is simply a new all-time high incoming next. As simple as that, really. And don't forget here, if we do a new all-time high, we already have the targets above. We can look first for the 1-to-1 extension of the wave 5, so coming around 76,000, really. Then if we start breaking this, so the 1618 of the wave 5, around 90,000, really. And if we start breaking this, we have the max target of the wave 5, that is at 2618, really. That is at 100,000 plus. So yeah, these are the three main targets we have above, if we push higher with for the wave 5, really. But yeah, these are the three price we can look for above. You have to make one more new all-time high. Well, Bitcoin we're done. As I said, not gonna add more with waves. I don't have the charting of this, but I don't know. You know, there are much more better waves on other assets, so I'm not much on Bitcoin at the moment. When Bitcoin is going to be better, I'm gonna move on this, but well, for now it's not the case. So the alts, you already gave me some few stuff there, so FLOKI and JASMY. So let me just go here on duplicate these, by the way. Let's go with FLOKI first of all. Well, it's following the waves. That's pretty cool. We've got, you know, this nice ABC planned. Now, what I would like to see is some 5 waves, to be honest with you, to the upside. Now, the thing is, where is the bottom on this? Because it's likely before here, but does it make sense? We don't have this here. I mean, the new high. Well, it's likely there, to be honest. So ABC, again, it's possible, you know, like PEPE coin that deserves some wave 1-2, for example, another wave 1-2, and now that was another wave 1-2, and now we're just going to explode to the upside. But as I don't want to be extremely massively bullish, I prefer to stay with something, well, not too bullish, not too bearish, really, and stay neutral until I really see the big pump coming. But yeah, for now I'm gonna still look for this. Well, ABC zigzag, the bottom, it looks more likely on the right, to be honest with you. The RSI is saying before, but we don't have the 5 waves up to start the C here first, so I will take only this. So I will get normally here only some small 5 waves. So like a wave 1-2 and another wave 1-2 here. So you have the wave 3, 4, 5. Once you've got this complete this wave 3, 4, 5, and once you've got this, well, you simply complete the C wave. Okay. Now, how can you get some targets on this? Well, you can simply pull the extension to the last ABC zigzag, really. So A wave root, A wave top, and I'm going to remove this here. I'm gonna pass it there. There you go. And you can simply add these targets there. So MC extension first, then you have the 120 extension, then you have the 123, and then you have the 1618. As always, the wave 5 normally have more chance to not be truncated, so to speak, to go past the wave 3 top. So normally, the 1618 should be the target to take. Okay, but again, it's not impossible to stop before. For example, if Bitcoin starts to turn really bearish before that, well, it can happen, of course. So for now, still zero take profit on this. I'm still in the long, and I'm waiting for higher, really. That's it. But yeah, this is FLOKI with the targets. We can look for. So the next one was JASMY. This one normally did a new. Well, I don't know if this is an all-time high we've done on that one. can go on the watches, by the way, for that one. There we go. Well, nice. It's following there. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, there we go. Here comes a pump. Nothing to add, really. Well, everything is there. What can I say? It's just absolutely perfect. The only thing I will be aware of is really if Bitcoin, for example, is starting to turn really bearish, this will be an ending with a smaller wave affiliating and a massive wave 5. But again, is it the most probable to take? The answer is really no. Because there will be otherwise here, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, not like that, by the way, 1, 2, 3 here, 4, and that will be a massive wave 5, and so now we can look for a crash, for example. But again, if Bitcoin is not bearish, there is no reason to look for this, and we can still look for such configuration. So if we have to be in this, that is for me the more likely, to be honest with you. Well, we just need to pull the extension tool of the impulsive here. So wave 1 root, that is already here on the chart, really. We've done that in the last update. So wave 1 root, wave 1 top, wave 2 bottom. From here you add the wave 3 targets. So again, 100%, 1618, 200%, 2618, 3618, 423.6. These are all the targets. Again, if you want to learn this for free, you can simply go and check out the course section, 8 waves, and you have this in the Fibonacci and the impulse. If you have a full course on this, because I'm not going to repeat myself all the time, just so you know, and so you can understand maybe better and follow along better. Anyways, so now these are the wave 3 targets. What we need to do here to finish that wave 3 is to count 5 waves in there. So do we have the 5 waves already? The answer is no, not yet. It looks like we do have the 5 waves at the moment. The premise here is the chart is completely fucked. So let's go on that one here. The wave 2 might be more on the right for this. Yes, so here, well, yeah, we should be here into the smaller wave, to be honest. So we've got the wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we should be in that wave 3, 4, 5, and so next you should get a wave 3, 4, 5. So normally we should still get some few more wave to finish before to complete the wave 3. Now in any case, you've got the targets there, so we can now, by the way, remove some few stuff here. And well, this can be removed now. We don't really care anymore. Bam. Just gonna check something, but oh yeah, by the way, it's not a new all-time high at all. It's not this at all. Anyways, let me just go here and add the extension tool. There you go. But what do we have there? No, because the max target is a 2618 here, so no, this is not useful. So we will need to check all the smaller waves and to follow along all the smaller waves, really. But, well, the thing is now, these are the targets in any case of the wave 3. Okay, so the pink wave 3, so I'm gonna add some pink squares, like the waves, so we know which wave we're talking about. So this, and then we have this, and then we, oops. There you go. So yeah, these are the wave 3 targets, really. We just need to count the 5 waves to finish to count the 5 waves to stop the wave 3. Once you've got this, you simply look for the wave 4 and then the wave 5. The wave 4 again, you simply need to pull the extension tool and the retracement tool, sorry, from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root, or as always you do the opposite, depends if you reverse your tool in the tool settings. I did reverse on my tool, so it's from the top to the bottom. From here at the wave 4 targets as always, 2316, MCFib, 31, 30, 20, 38.2. The wave 4, the wave 2, sorry, was small. That was the case here, by the way. Let me double check that, but it looks like, do we reach the 50%? Yes. So it's okay, so now we can look for this 2316, 38.2 target, really. And from here we can simply pull the third click of the extension tool on the wave 4 bottom at the wave 5 targets, so 618, 100%, 1618 to 618, and this will bring us with the, well, the wave 5 targets, really. But yeah, for now we're still into that wave 3. So I'm going to remain with this. I'm not looking for a massive crash directly, unless Bitcoin is really bearish. In that case, this was an ending with a smaller wave of a leading. JASMY were done. TIA, FET, RUNE and Metis. What is this? don't know. Anyways, gonna maybe before to go with all the requests, I'm maybe going to go and check at some charts here. So what we've got here, we've got RETIK first of all. I just wanted to, well, this may be completed now, the Y wave. It's pretty cool. We've got a lovely bounce from here. We talk about what percent increase in price. Oh jeez, 100% increase in price. Pretty cool. So this is going to be, we can remove that. WXY. This can be removed now. Well, we're gonna keep these targets on the left, but I'm going to add some more targets here on the right if we have to make one more new though. So we can add, well, this one is not going to be very useful, I think. It's okay. Yeah, that's nice. So let's keep this one here. I'm gonna remove that. Perfect. There we go. So this will be the target below, and otherwise we can look for this one here. So well, it's lining up together. That's pretty cool. So we've got well, yeah, 3 targets now. So you've got this one here first with the value low. Then you have this nice MC extension, really, with the 71, 7x6, the 123. That will be for a WEXY XNZ. This if you pull WEXY XNZ, the 123. And again, I'm in a QWERTY mode, so let's move this to other T. Perfect. So I can just Control Z. And the third target and the last one really will be this. There you go. Nice. PEPE coin. As I said on the Discord server, I might take profit big and soon because it's possibly reaching the top, to be honest with you. Very complex right now, not gonna lie. Very complex because the waves are possibly done soon, like really for the wave 5. Oops, 350. What? Well, I mean, the thing is, it's like FLOKI, you know, if we're in an ending and not in an impulsive, because, well, it looks more like an ending for the moment. Well, we need to get an ABC zigzag in each way. So we've got an ABC, and now we need to get an ABC. So we've got the A wave, the B retracement, if you remember good here with the ABC flat. And from here, we've got, by the way, that was posted on the Discord, well, before, by the way, during the live stream, but anyways, so A, B, C, okay, I'm gonna show you the wave so we can see really what I'm talking about. So in the A wave you have 5 waves, in the B you have a correction, and now in the C the thing is you have a 5 waves. Either as always an impulsive, either an ending. Well, if you count with me here, you will, I think you can count 5 waves here with me, like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and the wave 5. So if this is an ending, well, it's definitely the C wave top that is going to be in, and once the C wave top is in, it means that the wave 5 top is in, it means also that the bigger wave 5 top is in, and so this complete either a big massive wave 3 top, either a C wave, big C wave top, and if this is a C wave top, it's gonna crash, but like massively next. So is it a good idea to take profit? In my opinion, yes. I'm just going to wait personally for some more data to come, see if we manage to get anything really bearish from here or not, because well, there is still zero take profit on my investment at the moment, but yeah, I might take profit soon, to be honest with you, depending on what Bitcoin is doing. But you know, sometimes when it gets such rise, we do not need to get Bitcoin bearish to get something bearish sometimes. So I'm just waiting to see here what's going on, what's happening here in the lower time frame. But yeah, the C wave is possibly completed soon, so it's possibly completing everything next for a bigger retrace. So yeah, just waiting to see here what we do exactly. In any case, now we are into the second target on the higher time frame. So if you go on the log scale here, remove this. There, you've got the first target here and the second target now. So this is the full target we are in at the moment. So between well, it's 4016 really up to 4021. This is in any case normally the last target, the last resistance. Of course, if we do an extension, we can go a lot higher than this. But for the moment, this is the second resistance and the last one really. So, well, it makes sense to take profit. I'm not going to lie, so I might take profit soon on this. But anyways, just to let you know that the top is will be possibly done soon. Now I'm just waiting to see what wave we create next, if we have to be bearish, if we really have to start some bearish waves. Let's move now on core. This one I was trying that during the weekend. I was waiting for it to retrace bigger, simply because you've got a possible, so this is not the right one at all. Why am there? I don't know. Okay, anyways, so I was waiting simply here for a bigger wave 1-2 here during the weekend, and so the wave 2 target was, I mean, it's simply this. Okay, so we've got the swing flip pan here that already happened, but it was, oh well, how to take broken Ethereum. Yeah, here. So yeah, I was just waiting for this here during the weekend. Next, after I took some few longs there to raise some few push-ups. Oops. And well, now we came into the target. Sadly here, this was at 2 AM for me, so I was sleeping. But you've got a swing flip pan there. Well, basically you have this long trade setup valid. Okay, so now I'm not saying you have to take the long here. Oops, that's a short trade. I personally like to trade this a limited time, really. I don't like to take my trades late, but you do have this possible long trade setup, really. If you come back down here, you can look for the path control with the swing through part of these lows there. Okay, if we do if we do break this path control, we can look for the 6.86% value area low. Now, I think if we really start breaking this value area low, I'll be a bit careful. But again, simply trade this on the order flow based off the reaction, and you will see. Well, if you get a good reaction in there, you can get a nice increase in price next for a wave 3, so something pretty nice. Okay, just wanted to let you know you have this possible trade setup. So turbo, well, that one should be still into a wave 3, to be honest with you. So wave 1, 2. Another wave 1, 2, and now we shall be into a wave 3, so maybe rise a lot bigger. Otherwise the RSI is wrong, and this is a wave 5, and so in that case normally we shall get a divergence on the lower time frame, but even on this we don't. So normally you should still rise a lot higher. For now I prefer not to plan a target, because we are on the maximum target at the moment of the wave 5. So well, we just need to see here if we do something really bullish, like a wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2, and now bam, 3, 4, 5, we just keep pushing higher, very big. Or if this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really. But personally I'm not going to show this in any case. And we're done with the alts I was looking for on the weekend. Ethereum, just here, maybe this one here, if you pull the wave 5 targets. I think it's not really useful, but oh yeah, we still have this nice 2618 above. It's pretty cool. Yeah, nice. So you've got this nice 2618 here, there. This will be the resistance really for Ethereum. Red, there we go. So you got the buy zone here, the bounce, and you have now the target. If we break above here, the 2618, we can simply look for a much bigger increase in price, and we can look for the, well, 3618 of the wave 3. You have here the 2618 of the wave 3, the pink one, right here. If we break above here, we get acceptance above with, for example, no swing for the power reduction, because again, it's the 2618 of the wave 5, we can go absolutely a bit above and then come back down. So for example, do a swing for the power reduction of this. But if it's not happening, we can look for much higher prices. And so we can look for the 3618 of the wave 3. If this is broken again, we can look for the 423.6 all the way through, really. But yeah, for now, this is the target on Ethereum, and once you reach that, we can look simply for the wave 4, so this bigger wave 4 here, and if this is not holding, well, it will simply, in that case, an ABC zigzag to the upside, but this will be covered later when we have done this wave 5 top. Okay, in any case, I'm gonna let you know on the Discord server. So we've got many requests here. Tia, let's see what we have done on this one here. Let's go there and can I close this? Well, there is nothing to update, mate, to be honest with you, since the last one. That was, I can't remember when exactly, but well, there is nothing to update on this, to be honest. FET. It's here. Same, there is nothing to update. We're just range bound, really. Again, do we have the 5 ways up to start the rise? The answer is more likely no. Okay, I mean, this can be classed as 5 ways, 1, 2, 3, or 5, but personally I'm not going to take this as 5 ways. So what we have here more likely is either a W, X, Y, or maybe a low here on the right, by the way, like this. Well, yeah, I'm going to take this personally. Either an ending, like FLOKI, for example, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you look for the wave 3 here to be broken. Yeah, these are the configurations, and again, we are just range bound at the moment, so there is nothing much to update, to be honest with you, on this. RUNE, oh, RUNE, didn't check that one for a while. And Métis, I don't know what this is. RUNE. Oh, okay. RUNE. Wait, when was the last update on this? Because I don't know what happened since then. Okay, 17th of May. Okay, so, well, everything followed nicely, not gonna lie. Well, we've got the ABC, we've got the retrace from the 1-to-1 extension. I don't know what this was. Oh yeah, okay, it was the wave turrets. Well, no, the thing is, if this is a well, this is impossible to say which one it is, to be honest with you, because that's an ABC, that's an ABC, that's an ABC. So it's either a leading with a smaller wave of an ending that is very raw, either a double X, Y, X, and Z. And again, now the premise, if this is a Z wave, the Z wave can take every shape possible. So we can do, for example, here, like everything. We can do a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. We can get an ABC flat, so A, B, C flat, for example. We can do a double XY, for example. I mean, we can do absolutely everything. If now this is a leading and we need to, I mean, we're going to push higher, really, we need higher prices. Well, this is simply here a bigger wave 1, a bigger wave 2, 3, 4, 5. But personally, I'm not going to trade it because there are too much configurations, to be honest with you, due to the double X, Y, X, and Z. Now, if we're bullish, well, we should do a wave 2 here, maybe something a little longer, because that's very short right now for a wave 2, not gonna lie. So I'm looking for something longer for a wave 2 here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, this looks like some ABC zigzag everywhere, so yeah, I'm gonna stay with this. Yeah, well, only time can confirm here. I'm not going to lie, this is, if this is a double X, Y, X, and Z, well, next we can get absolutely everything into a Z wave, so not really interesting, to be honest with you. The other one is Métis. Well, maybe this one because I think, if I'm mistaken, you're an apprentice, mate. So if you want, we can keep this for this afternoon, and so I'm gonna go live to do the TA in real time also and really explain everything on the waves. Oh, there we go. Here we go. We have some more data on this. Alright, so this one have the oldest data. Do we have this on Binance? Yeah, okay, well. And so we've got this on Bybit. Nice. Good. Yeah, let me know, mate, if you prefer to keep this for this afternoon or if you want me to do this now. It can be interesting to... well, I'm not going to chart this before because we don't really care about the data here. This is the most important because we do have here more likely an impulse. Is what happened before. It's not a real big problem, to be honest. I don't know if you're still watching. So I'm gonna leave it like that for the moment. Yeah, okay, nice. So normally it should be at 3 p.m. UTC plus 2, as I said here. Well, either a video, either a live, really. It depends what you prefer. If you want me to, if you want to ask some questions directly live, the thing is, I don't know if you can watch really at that time. So, well, yeah, maybe a live stream will be better, to be honest. But in any case, if you have any questions next, if you're not able to watch this live, you can go simply here into the question channel, and well, you can ask your questions really, if you're free to do. And I'm gonna take some time to answer the questions. So yeah, let's keep this for this afternoon. I'm gonna add this into let's go in there. Hey mate, how are you doing? I'm great, thanks, personally. Okay. So I'm gonna do a video then. Gary through, please. Anything? Okay, yeah, sure. GARI, let's see what we've got since then. Well, still nothing. Just a bit of an increase in price, but again, well, 1, 2, 3. We don't have 5 here again, so is it good to start this C wave all the way 3 here to the upside? Not really, except of course if, and only if, this is a wave 1, 2, 1, 2 to then make a wave bam 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. This is possible. Now to do the smaller wave count of this, I'm not going to lie, I mean, look at the chart. This is impossible to chart this really. So, well, these are the waves. If we have to be bullish from here, if we have to raise. Now we break the wave 1 route on, well, not all the time frames, so it's okay, to be honest. Yeah, it's okay. It's valid. Yeah. Well, this is what we can look for if we have to do the C wave really. If we have to drop from here, we have the target below. That's pretty cool. In any case. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, so yep, this will be the bullish count really. Now yeah, be a bit careful. Well, yeah, this will be a bullish count. VET. Yeah, sure. VET. That one might be in the odds. Yep. Okay, well, we've got a nice retrace since then. Yeah, so now the thing is we've got some 5 waves up, so it's either wave 1, 2, I mean, like this, a wave, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, either a wave, ABC zigzag, so not a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but an ABC, so A, B, C, 5 waves for an A, 5 waves for a wave 1, correction, so triple wave, and then 5 waves for a C or 5 waves for a wave 3. But in any case, normally that retrace should be to make another increase in price, because if you got a 5 waves before, well, it can be again for an ABC flat or something like this, but I mean ABC, the C have a massive extension, and for a C wave in a flat to down extension, it's very, very, very raw, like really, yeah, this is really crazy raw, so I'm not going to bet on this. So here, well, normally it should be a retracement, either a B, either a wave 2 really, to push higher next. So these are the targets. I don't have more on this at the moment, I think. No. Let me see. VTUSD. Do you have this on Bybit? Yes. Do you have the data before? Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna do this on my side, because to do all the templates and stuff like that will take a while. But I'm gonna add this here. Well, I can add it. Well, yeah, I'm gonna add this here. Oops, VET. I was done with the request, by the way, before. Yeah. And these are the levels only, really. Gonna do this next on my site. But yeah, with the waves, otherwise, this is what we can look for: so a wave 1, 2, or an AB. And these are the targets in any case. So now we can remove the 38.2, just not get too much on the chart, really. This is the most probable buy zone as always. If you have to be in a wave 2, we'll have 73% chance to bounce between the 56.1 and 66%. So now you know, these are the probability. This is 100%. The answer is no, but can we go lower? Can we stop before as always? Yes, it's possible. But yeah, so AB or 1, 2 really. Now if you want to add, by the way, some more maybe accurate targets, you can pull the extension to all this triple wave. So from the top there to the bottom here to the top here, really. Okay, and so from here you have the correction targets. So MC extension 100%, 123, and the 1618. But surprise, surprise, it's matching exactly the targets we have planned already. You can see here 1 to 1 extension right here is the 50%, 123 right here is the 6186%, the 618 exactly, and then you have the 1618 max target, that is the 7x6 really retracement. So I'm just gonna leave this here to see the confluence, but sorry, the targets remain the same really. So well, yeah, these are, if you want to be a bit more accurate, you can do this, for example, here, here, and here. But again, well, this is exactly the same, so I'm not gonna add all the squares on my chart personally. There we go. That's it really for that one. So I'm gonna add it here still, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, that was the job. VET, thanks mate as always. If you enjoy the content, don't forget, if you want to like, feel free to like, this help as always. Thank you so much mate as always for your message. Good morning mate, OP, ARB if you can. OP, yeah sure. LMNO, normally it should be by the way in there, should be easier to find. OP, well, we did got the 5 ways up for for the C. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 5. This is, you know, for example, the shape I was talking about for it was JASMY. You know, the 5 ways, it's normally for the wave 5, a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And now you can see sometimes this can be, for example, again, forget this, anyways. So it can be a wave, an ending really. So a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. for JASMY. Okay, and so next you've got just a drop like this. It's a terrible shape, but well, you can see this can still happen, so that's why still be aware of this on JASMY, please. Now, yeah, I personally prefer the impulsive. But yeah, so here the C wave is done, or it's a bigger impulsive in it, so we can look simply for a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the C, but I think this was already planned the last update. And well, if we get this bigger rise, it's either a C, either a wave 3, so 3, 4, 5. If we do the 5 waves, it will be simply here to complete the C wave of the ABC zigzag, so the light blue wave A, B, C, into the Y wave. And so once these 5 waves are done, well, it's completing the Y wave, and so once you've got this, you finish everything really. So you either get next a bigger double EXY, either for example a double EXY, and another X and a Z wave, for example, next. Well, but this will be covered later, it's too early to say that. In any case, if we have to push higher from here, we can look for $5.47, around there really. But yeah, now the C wave can be done, don't forget. If you have to be still bearish, for example, and make, in that case, a W, X, Y, X, and Z. If we have to get one more new low directly, this is what I'm going to take personally. So we just need to add the Z wave targets really. So again, you take the extension tool, click first on the W root, second W bottom, and then the second X wave top. So the top here really. And from here you pull the correction targets, and you're good. As simple as that really. So now we just need to see if we make the bigger impulsive or not. If we do so, well, either C wave, either wave 3. Depends, we'll see this later really, if we manage to get the rise. But I think this was already planned the last update. I can't remember exactly when we have updated this the last time. The other one was ARB. Wait, gotta check what was the last update on this one too, because it was 4 days ago. Well, we did got the 5 waves up here, was looking for this nice wave 4 and it's increasing price for the wave 5. So we did got that wave 4 and we did got the wave 5. This is pretty cool. Now let me see just yeah, so normally we've got the wave 4 here, and now we're into a wave 5, so this can be removed now. I mean, we did got a bounce from the target, this is the most important. So wave 1 root, wave 1 top, and the wave 4 bottom. So now the thing is, these are the wave 5 targets. Well, once you've completed the 5 waves, you completed the wave C. If you completed that down, to be honest with you, that will be more likely an ABC zigzag, okay, to the upside, so a correction to go more down. Now, if we start doing this, it simply means that this was wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2 here. And now this was a wave 3, 4, 5, but it's impossible to say until we really get the big green calls. That's the thing. So if you took, well, now you took the long normally, okay, this was planning the last update, you normally took the long from here. Now you just need to take profit really on the wave 5 target. So for example, here we've got the 1-to-1 extension. This is the first take profit. From here, you move your stop loss on entry, and now you wait to get stopped out or for higher prices. That's it. That's the only thing you need to do at the moment. That's pretty cool. So now you just need to see if we get a longer and bigger increase in price into the wave 5 or not. And if this wave 5 is really pushing up a lot, it means, as I said, it's a wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2 for a 3, 4, 5, and it will complete next this wave 3, 4, 5 for the bigger wave 3, more likely if we push that high. Okay, so yeah, that's it really for that one. Nice wave 5 we've planned the last update really, and wave 4, 5, pretty cool. Oh, here, I think I know that one. A year. Wait. Don't have TA on this? Or I saw that one. Well, I can take this one also for this afternoon, to be honest, like do both TAs. Wait, it's I remember it now. Oh, well, anyways. Yeah, I can keep that one too. Possibly wayfire this, so a massive drop. Yeah, gonna keep this for this afternoon, so I get 2, and it will be announced, to be honest with you, for the first live stream. Well, it will be a bit like this, like the first count, to be honest with you. Well, yeah, that will do the job normally. So gonna keep both stuff there, and I'm gonna add this into the request, but I don't know why I don't have the... Anyways, I don't know what I've done before. So yeah, this is gonna be for this afternoon, if you don't mind, mate. Tether USDT. Well, this is just the USDT now. If you mean this, the market cap. Wait, I can't remember. No, it's no. How do you write this? Yeah, it's just the USDT, I think. But I'm not doing TAs on stuff like that. Like the dominance and stuff like this. It's not really relevant for me. So for example, this. But I mean, if this is just the USDT, wait. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, normally I should be just the USDT. So if this is just the USDT, like this, well, I'm not doing TAs on this, mate. It's not relevant for me to do TAs on this. Oops. No, I'm trading just by my own, by myself. But I know that it'll pull you, for example, on the Discord server. The moderator that you can see, I think. No, that you cannot see here. Because there, Elpo here is using bots a lot. I know he is trading a lot of FLOKI with bots. Well, what can I say more, mate? Where is this? You know, it's like I will never buy only one thing. Where's GARI? Here. You know, these are the waves. Can I be wrong on this? Absolutely. You know, it's absolutely possible we just fall like that. You have to understand that what says the higher time frame. If you go on the large scale here, well, you can simply see something very simple, is that the market structure is still bearish. We're possibly starting to change it really, but I mean, there is no real confirmation that we are going to get something bullish here. High, lower high, lower high. We keep doing this. We have a low, lower low. lower low. For the moment, we are holding this, but it's like, you know, we are here. We have a low, a possible higher low, but the real market change, the real market structure change is going to be when we break this top there. When you start breaking this, well, here you start to form some low, some high, sorry, lower high, and finally now a new higher high, and this will change the market structure. And next we need to see, of course, some low, higher low, higher low, and once you've got this, you can look for something normally bullish next. And again, we need to see what are the way. For example, this is just an ABC zigzag. Well, this is sadly just a correction to go more down. But first of all, the first sign of strength really is going to be this market structure. If we don't get this already, well, I cannot tell you, mate. It's impossible. If these are 5 waves, well, this can be 5 waves, for example, for a crazy ABC flag. You know, I mean, everything is possible. So do you have to hold this for the long run? Well, you choose. You know, I don't even know what this project is. I can't remember it. Well, I think you already told me before, but I don't really care personally what are the projects. You know, it's like, for example, Core. I have no idea what this is. Well, I was still trading it this weekend simply because the order flow was good in the target I was looking for. Same for PEPE. Well, PEPE, I know what this is. This is a bit, I know a bit more, but should you hold this for the long term? Well, personally, I'm not investing in this, so I have no idea, to be honest. I really have no idea. This is not personally something I'm going to invest in, simply because the chart from here, this is really something. By watching at this, I'm personally not. Now maybe I'm wrong, and for example, tomorrow you're going to see a massive green candle. But when I say this, and when I see, for example, PEPE coin, when I see Core, when I see Turbo or stuff like that, well, there are much more better opportunities, to be honest with you, than this chart. Now, you invest in that, you do as you want, really. You can absolutely hold this for the long run, but again, if you invest, for example, in something, you do not normally invest everything in the same project. You invest and you divide this capital you have by different projects and in different assets. You never stay, for example, only in one single stuff, because the thing is, if this is crashing, for example, where you lost everything. So I mean, you can, but it's very, 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 very risky to do this. Now, yeah, normally with the wave, well, we've got the 5 waves before, so it should be a correction to push higher, but yeah, everything is possible, and we need to get this market structure change first of all, really. So for example, to get this wave 1, 2, 3, maybe a massive wave 4, 5, right, sorry, and from here, well, once you've got the 5 waves, you know that you changed the market structure, so you can look for a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, and there you go. Now you know that it's more likely the better time to invest, because you got the big 5 waves before and you change the market structure, and so now it's more likely bullish. But unless this happen, to say it's bullish on the higher time frame, well, for the moment there is nothing that is bullish really for this. I mean, there is still a bearish market structure. The only thing bullish is possibly this wave 1,205, but well, it's very early to say that. So you need to choose, mate. I cannot really tell for you also. Well, my pleasure, mate. Yeah, I guess that was for the for a year. So yeah, I think we're done really. Well, PEPE coin is retracing a bit right now. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm just going to wait a bit to see what we create next, but if we really start, for example, to get some 5 ways down and stuff like that, I'm gonna take my first take profit on where is this here, on the investment, and I don't know yet how much I'm going to close, but maybe a 100%, to be honest. I don't know, I will see. But yeah, this is possibly done soon. In any case, now we are into the target, so into the max target. So yeah, I just want to see what we create next. For example, if we start ready to create some bearish wave or not, that will be the confirmation for me to take profit. But anyways, yeah, so we've got some nice setup, for example, here on Core. Well, PEPE keep an eye on this. Ethereum, I have to take profit by the way after the live stream. Waiting for this there. I'm gonna set this alert. Do we have any news by the way today? No, we have some on Friday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Okay, good. And well, we're done, I think. Nothing more really to add on this. So yeah, one live stream. We've got many coins. That's pretty cool. I'm going to go into the add request there so I don't forget about this, because sometimes I do forget about some few stuff there. So yeah, I'm gonna analyze Metis and AR for this afternoon for the apprentice. That will be the first video really, so not a live stream but a video. And so I'm gonna post this on the website, and if you have any questions on the charting, I'm really going to explain you how to apply the waves and everything, so the course really normally you learned here. So you can get simply some experience for the contest coming up in June, the $1,000 contest coming up in June. That is coming on the 10th of June really. 1,000 contest, dollar prize pool contest, divided between the 3 winners, and this will be a quiz, again, a quiz on the full Elliott course, or really on everything. Now, once you've got the lesson, the theory, bam, I'm gonna go and show you how to apply everything on the chart. So you have a video today, you will get another one on a Wednesday, so well, just let me know if on the Discord server, for example, like this into the daily update, which coin you want me to analyze, and I'm gonna simply upload next the video on the website so you can get the content. And next, if you have any questions, again, don't forget apprentice section, question here. If you don't have the apprentice section, it's because you simply need to go into your account page. That should be here, and you can just click if you scroll down here, account management, connect to Discord. If you click this button here, well, just have to connect your Discord account, and this will unlock you this apprentice section. Anyways, yeah, don't forget to ask your questions really if you have any. I'm here for this really, to answer the questions, so don't hesitate. And don't forget there are no stupid questions. Anyway, on this being said, thank you all for watching as always. I'm just checking really quickly here, where is Bitcoin? I'm not even interested in trading Bitcoin at that place, to be honest. I'm gonna simply remain in my trades and that's it. Or a bow for sure, but well, nothing crazy. Yeah, anyways, thank you all again for watching. Take care as always, and catch you also Wednesday for the next daily update, and as always this afternoon for the apprentice members for the first video, so you can get some experience now. I think you already have some experience made, for example you, but maybe some other apprentices don't have so much, I don't know. So yeah, hope this will help, and I catch you also this afternoon for the apprentice, and otherwise, as I said, on Wednesday for everyone. Anyways, have a brilliant day, take care, and catch you in the next one. Cheers.